Welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a what I eat in a day, and since it's my day off today, I will be showing you kind of what typically happens on my day off. A lot of errands. I'm gonna try to clean today, so let's go. For lunch, I will be eating some fish, cabbage salad with some Parmesan squash, and some potatoes. I just made all this last night, so I just heated it up and we'll eat that. I finally got my hands on this. This is the Marq Koya Maya matcha that everyone's been talking about, and last month I placed an order and I have not heard since this past week. So I started getting worried because I actually placed my order before everything was sold out, and at the time I was looking, I actually never bought this matcha, so I wanted to make sure I did my research, especially since I'm paying for the shipping. I wanted to make sure I was picking the matcha that I wanted to try. So I did my research, and a week later I was like, okay, I'm finally ready to place my order. But by the time I went on the website, all the 100-gram tins were gone, and there was only, I think, a few left of like 400 grams and 20 grams of the really popular matcha. So I finally got it. I got it yesterday, and one of the cafes that I went to, they sell the matcha at their store, but I only got 2 tins. I want to try it out, and they were so good. So I decided I'm gonna order more. I'm gonna unbox this. So I only actually was able to order the 4. I think I bought 2 of each. I can't even remember what I bought. But that, 2 of each of this one, and then I got the 40 grams of this one.